now is on this very last section. I call this my tips and tricks, post-dating the ordering of a drug. You might have a very expensive drug. You might have only one patient on it, and you really don't want to have to carry that on your shelf for any longer than necessary. So what I'm going to show you here is how you can actually have the system essentially order this just in time for that patient that keeps coming in monthly or every 3 months. So first of all, pull up the drug that you've got, go to the ordering tab, and over here, what you'll want to do is disable the automatic ordering feature. We don't want this to go on order as soon as you dispense it. For example, as soon as it goes down to 0, we're now going to actually manually place this on order. So disable the automatic ordering, click on the place order button like you would for any manual order and indicate the order quantity. But instead of just hitting the enter key at this point, use the tab key. Go down one field to the order date. It always defaults to the current date. But what you can actually do here is change that date and post-date it. So I'm going to change this from October of 2018. I'm going to change it to January of 2019 in this example. And now click on the Save button. You'll see down in the lower corner, it shows me this outstanding order, but you'll see the order date is not until January 12th of next year. So as time goes on and my automatic orders or my manual orders that I'm placing every night take place, this drug's not going to show up on that order until I get to the evening of January 12th, and automatically this drug will now appear on the order. So the idea is I'll set that post date to just a few days before I expect the patient to arrive. The drug will go on order just a couple of days beforehand, and it'll arrive in my dispensary just before the patient does.